Hey, welcome back everybody. 12:24 on your Thursday afternoon, and you would think with all of the fronts on the map we would have a more active weather pattern, but this is about as quiet as it gets. That big blue H sitting in the south, still dominating the weather pattern down here. And take a closer look to home, and it's already turning out to be a warm one. It's 87 in Brownsville and Port Isabel, 88 up and down the I-69E corridor. So most of your temperatures all sitting in the upper 80s, 84 in Rio Grande City right now, but that's about to change toward the end of the newscast. Dew points all sitting in the upper 50s, lower 60s, and we'll put around 62 on the muggy meter. So dew points slowly starting to climb up this week, but still feeling pretty comfortable up there, or still feeling pretty comfortable out there. We're on the bottom of that muggy category, and we're going to stay on the bottom of that muggy category for the rest of the day. 89 is your average high for this time of year, and we'll be around that for the next 2 days until we hit a high of around 93 on Saturday. So we're definitely going to warm up as the weekend goes on. We're definitely going to keep warming up, and that humidity is definitely going to keep coming back. And here's why. All of your winds are out of the south or southeast, so it's bringing in a lot of Gulf moisture. A lot of moisture in your atmosphere means those dew points are just going to climb. Winds still relatively calm, even though you have a wind gust in some places like Brownsville and Edinburgh. All of your winds on the upwards of around 12 miles per hour. So for the rest of the day, those clouds start to break up, but that's short-lived. Patchy clouds start to come back. But check this out. Friday morning, I like what I'm seeing on here. A few showers possible. Now, these showers, they are going to be more like sprinkles, and most people aren't going to see any of these showers. It's mainly going to be toward the coast. That is short-lived. By Friday, 11 a.m., that has since burned out, and then those clouds start to burn out as well. So we're dry today, 10% chance of morning showers tomorrow. It's a small chance, but I'll take any chance for rain at this point. And then we're dry on Saturday. On the water, your winds are out of the southeast at 15 to 20 knots, and because we have a southeasterly wind, that means a moderate chop on the bay. Your next tide is a high tide in just a little while, and the seas are at 1 to 3 feet. So today, high of around 90, mostly sunny. It's going to feel like 91 because that humidity is in that muggy category. Winds out of the southeast at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, only cooling down to around 70 degrees. Partly cloudy early on, and then mostly cloudy later as that humidity again starts to build back in. Winds are going to be out of the southeast at around 5 miles per hour. So we're in the 90s for the next 3 days, and then we continue to be in the 90s into Mother's Day and then into the next work week. And those overnight lows, well, as those overnight lows increase, that means the humidity starts to increase as well. Notice there is a chance for a couple of storms both Monday and Tuesday, and that chance for storms is because we're expecting another front to come through. We'll keep tracking that front for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. Hey,